unconditional love,
Yes.
is that a love that doesn't expect anything when given?
Yes, it's because it has become what you are. When you have become loving, then you have no limitations or demands on people out there that they should be this way so they can be loved. You love them no matter how they are, even though they're obnoxious, and you feel sorry for the criminal that they didn't know any other lifestyle. I always feel sorry that their life was so pathetic that this is all they had left, you know. Run down the street and grab the ladies' purses they run down. Uh-huh.
Well, so many times.
I taught people how to handle a robber, you know. And what you do is you take your money and you throw it on this side of the sidewalk, and then you run that way. And they will go for the money, and you're free. Always give the robber your billfold. That way you save your life.
So many people, when they say, you know, they may say that they're being unconditionally loving, but that there's always a hidden agenda behind that. You know, there's always a hidden agenda. Oh, if I do this for them, they will love me. If I do this, then they'll react like this. And so that's why I wanted you to clarify unconditional love, that there is no attachments.
Yeah, your love for whatever you are, whatever that is, even though you're stupid and obnoxious. You're stupid and obnoxious, but I still love you. Thank God for me.
But unconditional love, unconditional love is given without attachments.
Without requirements, yeah.
Yeah, there's no strings attached to unconditional love.
That's true.
Okay.
It's just what you have become.
Okay.
You become that. You're becoming loving. You become lovable when you are loving. The more loving we are, the more lovable we are. Even my dog knows that. My dog loves me a lot, and I say, she loves us both very much, you know. Thank God.
Okay. I just wanted to make sure that we got that unconditional love down, because there's so much out. It's used as kind of a flippant term anymore, you know, to describe love, and that's why I wanted to clarify that, because it's with no strings attached, not to expect anything back when given. Right?
Even if there's no coffee in the morning. Where's the coffee? There isn't any. Oh, okay. No, you would never do that.
No.
She would never get me up without coffee being
No.
there. Thank you, sweetheart.
Okay. Move on.